Okay, Team Cebu City ask for one more game. This is a money game. Bench firing out of coverage. Sabi ni Busagak, out of coverage. Ono zero. Joanna Paradus. Justin to Bibbs. Jim Lee. Ito. Ang lupit. Inside, pumasok ang tira ni Ella. I-score. Ono 0 in favor of Team Cebu City. Janice, answered by Joanna. Justin, tumanit. Ay, tira. Short ang tira ni Joanna. Ono Iguales. Service Bibbs. Justin. Away from home. Dos Ono. Team San Jose has the lead by 1 Picarios point. Alright, after this game is the game between Team Kawayan Banawa against Team Peace Valley. Okay, musunod ani. Doso na to score. Ball position sa Team Cebu City. Service to Jim Lee para Iguales. Jim Lee, one hand shot. Kitil, Justin. Bibbs firing. Answered by Jim Lee. Ila. Hard shot coming from Team San Jose. Laku. Magyapon giyano lang ni Jim Lee. Ay, corner shot. Is good coming from Team San Jose. Dos Ono ang atong score. Ila to serve para Tris. Jim Lee. Ito. Justin striking. Justin again. Dibuka ni Justin. Tuara. Pibaw si Ila. Awas. Dos Ono. Side out Service Justin. Short. Ang tira ni Janice. Netball. 2-all na. Servisyo. Justin. Justin again. Minukdok, minagdak. Out ball. San Jose's ball. Servisyo Janice. Badit to Janice. Bibbs. Rap. Punal Justin. Walang katao-tao. No man's land. Nice shot coming from Justin. Dos Iguales bola sa Team Cebu City. Jim Lee, foul shot. Jim Lee with a one hand. Out ball. Dos Iguales ang atong skora on this game 3 money game. Servisyo Kitil. Justin. Jim Lee. Throw it out. Wayne for Team San Jose. 3-2. Kitil para 4. Justin. Answer by Ila. Justin again. 2-shot combination. Bibbs. Saktan mo. Putukan mo Justin. Joanna. Tuara. Perfect shot coming from Joanna on the mix of Team Cebu City. 3-2 ang atong score. Back to the ball game. Servisyo Joanna on the mix. Jim Lee. Overhead. Jim Liangin, gitarget sila. Gipuspusa ni Joanna. Po ni Justin, tuara, Habibs. Banat na sa si Justin. Wala. Tara! Kini. Ayay ka! Nganumin. 3-2. San Jose's ball. Bib serving para 4. Justin, let it fly. Laras ni Ella. Netball. Cebu City's ball. Serving Jimli. Padit. Para Joanna. Laban kung laban. Ay kal! When? Side out. 3-2 ang ato score. 3-2. Servisyo ila. Kay Kitil. Inside the box. I-score 4-2. Team San Jose has the lead. 2 points. Okay, thank you so much to our sponsors of this multiple bakbakan here in Kawayan, Banawa. The barangay officials of Barangay Guadalupe, headed by our beloved Cap, Barangay Captain Apple Gakasan, with her council, Michael Gakasan, Clip Rakuya, Kimi Alinio, Alex Similia, Joey Manguera, Ivan Lumayag, Matt Estinzo. And the Sangguniang Kabataan, Ria Saison, Nadilin Alson, Lasky Lopez, Birato Ramirez, Jan Basanyes, Jirik Belmonte, Basti Tabares, Reed Gabutan. Okay, that's the overall sa ato ang mga sponsors ha. 4-2 point scored by Badit. 4-3. Hello, wide discourage sa Team Cebu City. Kumbati lang. Janice, post ni Jimli. Answer by Ila. Jimli again. Wala. Nice exchange between these two teams. Janice, out ball. 4 iguales. 4 all. Cuatro iguales. Badit serving for the lead. Justin, short. Side out. San Jose's ball. Kitel serving. Tuara. Away. I would like to acknowledge the arrival of Boss Bugsoy. Dara sa atong tuyo, si Boss Bugsoy. Boss Bugsoy. Dara, Boss Bugsoy ha. Si Boss Bugsoy, maunay usahay atong sponsor dito sa Maracas. O dihasan sa Peace Valley. Jimli, firing. Janice. Bad shot coming from Janice. Size. Change court Size 4. Cebu City is leading by 2 points. Time for commercial. If you are looking for a cabinet maker, visit the page Modular Cabinets by Jobel. Okay. Or call 0939-767-9534. Modular Cabinets by Jobel. Design for style, function, and durability. Kinsa ito magpahimog mga kabineta, kontak ka lang Jobel Lucante. Mao na iyang masterpiece. Tuara. Overhead shot. Saggang ni Justin. Punang ila. Giwas-wasan ni Joanna. Yay, Badit! Janice again. Abtikas ni Pinsa pa. Trampo. Punal. La, tuara. Push up na si Joanna. Tuara. Good item. I-score 5-6. We have a ball game. Di kita ng laban. This could have gone either way. Pwedeng manalo ang San Jose. Pwede rin manalo ang team Cebu City. Dikitan ang laban. 5-6 servisyo. Jimli. Bibbs. To Jimli. Bibbs again. Badit. Kitil. Gilaras Tora. Overhead shot from team San Jose is good. 5-6. San Jose's ball. Here comes Ila. Point scored by Ila. Igual size. Shout out ni Aldiandre. Ang nagpasikat sa volleyball dayon-dayon. Aldiandre ang sakalam. Size iguales sa to score ha. Okay, Team Peace Valley and Team Banawa. Prepare for the next game. Kamuy musunodan eh. Kitil, kitrapo, kitil, bang! Side pocket shot coming from Kitil. Landing on point. Size igualisa, servisyo. Janice again to Joanna. Joanna again. One on one. Wara. Janice did it all. Grabe ya. Tinawanan lang sila ni Janice. Nice play coming from Janice. Shout out ya mga kabuboards na to niya. Kinsa na? Roger Balongget. Sai City. Out ball. Bola sa Team Cebu City. Servisyo Badit. Janice to Justin. Bibbs, let it fly. Kuha pa man Jimli. Punal Jimli. Punal. Janice eh. Tigbas na sige. Out ball. Score. Iguales City. Jimli. Ilang usan ito. Aray. Adto na Binoy. Wala. Lugaw ng dipinsa. Side out. City Iguales. Kitil serving. Well scored by Team San Jose. 8 City. Shout out na ni Calvo niya. Ora, spotted na to si Calvo na. Nabisita sa itong bakbakan rin. Calvo boy! Calvo! Yawa Calvo eh. Atangs Bunturis. City 8 atong score. Ball position para sa Team Cebu City. Servisyo Joanna. Jimli Mitrapo. Gisagang ni Bibbs. Osman Tigbas. Impas tanang utang. City 8 ang atong skora. City 8. Servisyo Bib. Justin to Bibbs. Badit wana. Gipuni. Laoy, naunsi na ni. Bang! Joanna! Tuara! Jimli! Na! Oy, hinay bola ha? Tuara! Akuski pag yun! Out ball! City 8 side out. Ball position para sa Team Cebu City. Jimley. Serving. Tuara. Badit. Azerbaijanis. Jimley. Lah. Didaga ni Kitil. Away. He score. It all. It all you can. Last four. Service yung Jimley. Bibs, gi. Pus juga na. Tuara, Kitil. Short. Point scored by Team Cebu City. 9-8 na. La. Tuara. Iyay ka. Nice defense coming from Team San Jose. Badit. Relentless attack. Away from home. Masyadong malakas. Too strong. 9-8. Team Cebu City is leading by 1 point. Ball position para sa Team San Jose. Okay, trapoy sa bulag. Okay. Di ay coach dire sa Team San Jose, di skilled. Naka-helmet pa daw. Coach. Coach sa Team San Jose. Yay! Tara! Badit! Nice placing. Coming from Badit. 9-8. Justin serving. Out ball. Score. Gis Otsona. Lasto. Justin serving. Justin again. Answered by Janice. Yaika. Kitil. Answered by Janice. Toras Badit. Babuna Janice. Joanna on the mix. Nice one on. Gipunan. Bye Kagila. La. Bang. Pinuspusay na sa palu-palo. Iwas-was. Ani. Hindi mo nagmandi. Wala. Dutay kuitruha oh. Lah, lupit. Okay. Bigay tudo na. Nice one coming from Janice. Gis 8 2-point lead in favor of Team Cebu City. Here comes Team San Jose. Janice serving. Justin. Hard shot coming from Team Cebu City. Courtesy of Jimley. Side out. Service. Jimley, may pusing, may pabuto. Bang! Bagnos na san. Gipunan. Bang! Counter attack from Team San Jose. They are exchanging bombs. Wow! Nice shot coming from Kitil. Shout out tayo ni Busyol di adire sa tuang corner. Busyol! Once again Busyol. Present tasaka sa atong bakbakan. Pangila! Kitil! Yay ka Bims! Wana. Kini. Nanata sa atong in-game. Wana ni. Nugtanas bakos. Pasin yung seatbelt! Wana. Breathtaking na! Kini may inyo! Ayay! Woo! Ginhawa pa mo! Ginhawa din Bin! Wana. Sagahi lang gani. Ay ay ay. Ay ay ay. Side out. Cebu City's ball. Ay ay, service yung Joanna on the mix. Bantay mo anim. Muralier begini. Badit. Tara, Jimley. Ay ay. Jimli. Kini may nyo. Gilampur na sa pulang Jimli. Short. Ilang misses the shot. Short ang tira. 11-8 for the win. Para Baus ang team Cebu City. Out ball ba yun? Malasa. Okay, bola sa team San Jose. Servicio Bibs. Brr. Iyay. Gi. Brr. Gi, pultro tula. Brr. Bang! Good item! Nice delivery coming from Kitil. Noibi on Sina. Last 3, last ball. Servisyo. La, kuha pa. Juana. Oh, ball. Ano? Ito. We have a ball game. On CG's last 2. Last ball. Ito na. Juana. Out ball pa rin. Woo! Anong nangyari sa team Cebu City? They are struggling from their defense. Struggling ang team Cebu City. Ito, pagkakataon sa team San Jose. Para 3 ducks. Justin! Laban! Laban! Laban kung laban na! Oh! Goal! What an exciting ball game! Grabe ay huli ang mga tao dito. Trilinga dua. Nagkurog-kurog ang lagay sa mga nakapusta. Pagkakataon na sa team Cebu City. Kinsa kay muna gani, hala kagilo. Bang! Justin Agay! Woo! Side out. Both teams exchanging side outs. Now San Jose's turn to win this ball game. Servisuela. Juana. Hindi nagpapatinag ang team Cebu City. Lumalaban yan. Ay, my goodness. 3 ducks good. Champion good ang team San Jose. Paldo ang team San Jose. 3 wins. Murag derby, 3 wins. 0 loss.